What up, family? So I'm pulled up this morning. All right, this is day 29 of our fix and flip project. It's inspection day. I get a call yesterday saying, boss, don't worry about it, it's all good, we all good, we ready. I pull up this morning at 6:30 and man, they are not ready. I had to go make a run to get trash bags. Let me tell you, the plumber, he installed the master bathroom vanity. He did not install the backsplash. It looks like they threw the backsplash away. Oh my God. The painters, they're not completely finished painting. They still have a closet door to paint. They still have part of the stone on the outside exterior. They still have to paint. And they have not got all the trash, and the dumpsters already been picked up. Oh my God. All right, so we only have about 15 minutes before the inspector gets here. So when I came in, I just had to make a quick run to Lowe's just to go ahead and grab our plates, because I don't have time to clean all these electrical plates. So we just bought all new plates, and we're going to try to get them installed so at least everything look crisp. Try to pick up all the trash on the exterior. So I'll be there in like 5 minutes from this trip to Lowe's, and then we'll see what we can get done before the inspector shows up. Pray for me. So get here this morning, man, and we got all this stuff going on. So I'm gonna load all this stuff up, get this stuff in the.
There's the backsplash.
Huh?
There it is right there.
Where?
Look straight ahead. That's the first thing came out of the box.
I knew it was here.
I'm up there when he was doing the floor the other night.
Man, okay. So I bought another piece I'm gonna have to take back now, but that's fine.
When you drove off, I saw it when I came in here.
I'm gonna get on the plumber. So this is where we are, man. We gotta do a lot of cleaning, and we only have like, shoot, a few minutes before, and you got that mirror on sideways. I mean, we came a long ways, but we still gotta get a lot of trash up out back. They haven't put this mirror up. This mirror is not up. This door is not on. Man, shoot. So this is where we are, man. This is where we are. And we don't have much. We only have like, hopefully I get a grace period of like 30 minutes, so I can just get some of this stuff cleaned up so it don't look so bad. But this is what we had built. We had this built right here for support. But man, let me get to work right quick. I gotta get these plugs on, get this trash up. It's rough. It's rough when you trying to get stuff done. You're depending on people to be, you know, shoot straight up and do what they say they gonna do. And we behind, so now we trying to make up time. And hopefully we have at least 30 minutes before the inspector show up. Stay tuned, pray for me. What's up, guys? Here I am on inspection day. This is day number 29. I actually came out here on day number 24, but we had some delays. We wasn't able to get the actual, wasn't able to make as much progress as I thought we was gonna make. But here we are. Make sure if you like this channel, go ahead and like. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. All right, so let's get to it. So here we are on day 29. I just want to give you guys a walkthrough. This morning I met with the inspector, and geez, was we not ready. But we got to see what it looked like now. And I think we passed what we needed to pass in order for us to get our final payout from our second draw request. All right, the second draw request was a total of $31,000. All right, this was going to help us pretty much complete this job. Right now, we're 100%, well, we're about 95% done. There are some things that I'm gonna do after this, which is our final walkthrough today. There are some things I'm still waiting on, such as our door handles for the kitchen cabinets. We also have one door for our pantry that should be delivered today, and then we have a drawer door for the outside lanai counter that should be delivered today as well. But come on, let's see what we got. So today, they completed the outside painting. They still have one area on the stone that they still need to finish, but it's cool. We're gonna work through it. The garage, of course, was finished. I mean, everything's pretty much finished now. I painted the floor, ceiling, walls. The garage is now nice, bright, white. Coming into the house, I think from the last update, as you can see, we finally finished all the painting. Here we are in the kitchen. We're doing some cleaning up today. So everything is pretty much in. Our gold faucets, our gold handles is what we're waiting on, our hardware. See, this door right here was the one that was broken, so we got to replace that. This actually was an extra cabinet. And shoot, let's go. So in this bathroom, the only thing that we're missing is having this hung. I did find some issues with the plumbing, which I'm gonna reach out to the plumber right after this. I need him to address it for as a plumbing situation, but the vanities are in, our faucets are in, our lights are in, you know, the doors are all up, so we're good to go. In all the bedrooms, we're good. As you can see, all the bedrooms are finished. This came together really good for us to be on day, 29, actually, yeah, day 29. Hold up. Right there. Yeah, it came together pretty good for us to be on day 29. Let's go to the other room over here. As you can see, now we do have a small punch list. We do have a small punch list that we want to make sure that we finish, which is, I think it's over here in this closet. We have one light. This right here needs to be addressed. We have see the paint up there by the light. That's one area that need to be addressed, that we're gonna knock that out today. And then over here in the master bedroom, we're pretty much completed the master bedroom. We just have one door to put up, as you can see. So the next time we come, it's gonna be all cleaned up. So now here in the master bathroom, as you can see, our vanity is up, our mirrors are up, our lights are up. We all painted in here. Our shower and everything is good. Everything is good in here. We just got to put up our closet door. We can go outside from here. And we out here on the lanai. Everything is good here on the lanai. Here is what we was waiting on, which is our quartz countertop to give us our nice counter for our outdoor kitchen area, eating area. And then this right here is what we had to have built. So we had to have a frame built out, have to have it waterproof, and then we tiled it for the decorative design, and so it could be support for our quartz countertop, which is like a 3,000-pound countertop. Now this right here is an area that we still need to get painted. This right here is an area that we still need to get painted here, just a little touch up. So that's really a minor punch list. And then we have the ceiling in the garage that need to be touched up as well. So let's go out back, see from the back. As far as the exterior, we've been getting up all the trash today. We're sitting on a half an acre. It's a half an acre. Our original plans for this was a fix and flip, but now we have more plans of just to keep it more long term. Get a tenant in here for maybe 2 years, then we'll transition it into an Airbnb once it's all stabilized. But that's our goal now. So we're shopping right now for which loan product we're going to use. So based on loan product, right? So I've been shopping. I'm really looking for like a 40-year. I'm looking for like a 40-year long term. I had somebody ask me, you know, what was the determining factor for like what we do afterwards, or why would we choose to go long term versus short term, or to keep it versus flip it. And this is where it is, right? This is how I decide. First, I go to rental meter. I need to understand what the rental market, the long-term rental market is. I also go to AirDNA. I check the air DNA ratings to see what our potential is on short-term rental. And then I run my DSCR loan formula to just know where we stand if we was to finance this for the long term. Raise it up a little bit, right there. If what we would be if we was to finance this for the long term or short term. And then I also look at, like, if we was to fix and flip it, all right, what would be the tax situation that we would have to face if we was to flip this, like short-term capital gains tax, as far as moving the funds into another investment. And so we do have some other investments in mind. We're still working on the details, but that's how we determine if we want to keep this or not. Also, I want to look at the school zones. I want to look at the local community. Is this something that I want to invest in and keep long-term? For this, is a nice size lot. I like the area. This property right here next door is actually a property that we want to acquire too. So we're working on this one. Maybe we might be able to get it. We might not, but we're working on trying to acquire this one as well. We made several attempts already. So we'll just see what we come up with this one in the coming days or weeks. Maybe it may take a couple months, but we'll see what happens with that one as well. But look, this is day 29, man. Hopefully from the results from the inspector, we're good on our $31,000 payout, which was to complete the floors, the painting, the AC, the electrical, the cabinets, the countertops. Also, we had some specialties in there for some things that we needed to pretty much finish the job. They didn't give us credit for our garage door that we replaced on the first draw, so we should be getting our full credit for the garage door, and that pretty much sums it up. Look, when it comes to all of this stuff, right? When it comes to this stuff, like, you definitely don't want to underestimate what your expenses are. There were a couple of expenses that came in a little bit higher than what I expected, but I'll break down, I guess, the draws and what our estimates were and where we were. So we had a budget of, like, I think $62,000 total for this project, and I think we're going to finish up right around like $58,000 for as what the expenses were. So we stayed within budget. We completed the job within our timeline. We're still going to take probably like a week to just do some small details we want to do to enhance this home before going on the market. But this is it, man. 29 days from start to completion, our final inspection, and the rest of the details, you know, like the yard and stuff like that, it's gonna take probably like a week for us to get stuff together. But you know, we hit our goal, man. Look, I'm Emmett, your broker. Make sure you stay tuned, man. Follow our channel, subscribe to our channel if you like the content. Make sure you hit that like button and drop your comments down below if you got any feedback for us. All right, and we out until next time.